Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the good stuff from right here in Melbourne, including the brand new King George.
King Charles
III Britannias. So let's rip straight into them.
Let's. And just like that, they are unboxed. What do you reckon of that, Michael? New way of doing it?
Yeah.
Too dramatic for you, or?
I'm always one for drama, mate.
Let's take a little bit of a closer look.
All right, so we have the standard Britannia with all the security features, and I'm not going to go through them all, but Ruben's done a video. Ruben and Matt, I think, did a video on the security features of the Britannia.
The Brit is one of the coolest ones, I think.
Yeah. And then on the other side, this is the first time we're seeing this. So on the obverse side, we've got King Charles III, who I have to stop calling King George. £2, and we can see there. Beautiful coin. Looks like a standard Britannia, except for it's got a different monarchy on the back.
That's it.
So if you're seeing this now, they are available online. Grab them while you can. Don't know how many we're going to be able to get hold of. The production schedule seems to be a bit hit and miss, or at least the delivery schedule seems to be a bit hit and miss. So we've got them in stock now. If you want them as part of your stack, absolutely grab them now. I'm not saying we won't get them later on in the year, but it's just looking a little hairy, that's all.
Are they likely to do a kilo version of this Britannia?
Honestly, I don't know yet. So we've got some kilo Britannias ordered.
We'll see how long the delivery takes on those.
Yeah, look, I don't phone in about them or email in, because we don't, as far as I'm aware off the top of my head, I don't even have an allocation of numbers, so I can't even guarantee we're getting them yet. But as far as I believe, they're only the Queen Elizabeths.
Yeah.
I don't believe they've actually produced a King Charles yet, and I haven't heard that they're actually going to do one. So it's kind of like a standby. We'll see later on in the year on that.
No worries at all. All right, well, I think that's it off this unboxing. Thank you very much, and yeah, we will see you all in the next video.
See ya.